Today is the 50th day of this Dharna program of the Duraline Workers Union, who are affiliated of the All India Trade Congress Goa State Committee. On 31st March, Easter Sunday, when whole Goa was celebrating and enjoying, that night the management has retrenched 47 workers by sending WhatsApp messages. And simultaneously on the same night, they have credited supposed to be their legal dues in their bank accounts. And their notice says that from tomorrow onwards, there is no relations between you and me as an employer and employee. Having worked for them for 20-25 years and making huge profits out of this factory, management wants still super profits, and they want these workers to be retrenched, and God knows what plans they are having to earn this super profit. We consider this as a most inhuman and most uncalled for action against our workers. It's illegal also. It is illegal because for more than 1.5 years, the issues concerned with these workers are pending before the Labour Court, in the Labour Commission office, the Labour office, under conciliation. And Industrial Dispute Act Section 33A says, when any dispute is under conciliation, the management should take the permission from that commissioner who is conciliating. They have absolutely not taken the permission and retained these workers overnight and giving them even the notice pay of 1 month. Unilaterally this decision, notice pay given. So they say there is no relation between you and me. This is one part. Immediately we have filed our case that this is illegal termination, retirement. You should take it back. They are giving dates after dates in order to harass the workers.
Have you met the management? Have you met the management?
Yes, we have met the management. We have met the management and we have given certain proposals for amicable settlement. And the Labour Commission also directed them to have a discussion and settle.
But they're not willing to do it.
They have not come forward to settle it. That's why this Dharna program is continuing and we have entered today 50th day. Meanwhile, this management employer has filed a case against the union and the workers in the civil court that you don't have the right to sit here in Dharna program. Because the reputation in India and the world perhaps, because it's a multinational company, the share market value is falling. They are worried, bound to be worried. But why you do the injustice to the workers to earn super profits? We are human beings. World over, workers are saying, don't put the issue profit before the people, general people, not workers also. So see that workers should be able to live dignified way in society when they work sincerely. This is what is our issue. Allow us to live peacefully, in a dignified manner in the society. Allow us to enjoy the fruits of our labor.